Cal 2, Test 2, Review. Number 1, y equals ln of 3x squared plus 5. The derivative, you take the derivative inside, which is 6x, and put it over 3x squared plus 5. Number 2, y equals ln of cosine of 2x to the 4th. Okay, we have to take the derivative of cosine, which is negative sine. And when you take the derivative of cosine, you also take the derivative of the angle. 2x to the 4th, the derivative is 8x cubed. Okay, for ln, you put what's inside on the bottom. Okay, it's a negative divided by a positive is negative. Sine over cosine is tangent. Number 3, we're going to integrate. We see that we've got a 3 power and a 4 power on bottom. So that's probably going to be an ln. So u is the bottom. Du is 4x cubed dx. We don't have the 4. Multiply in the 4 and 1/4 outside to balance. 4x cubed dx is du. So we have du over u, which is the integral is ln. Okay, but we have our 1/4 outside, so 1/4 ln of u, and put u back in terms of x. U was x to the 4th plus 2. And of course, our plus c. Number 4, cosine 2x. We need the derivative of the 2x, which is 2, so I put a 1/2 outside. Tangent, instead of memorizing the formula, I rewrite it as sine over cosine. We need the derivative of the 5x, which is 5. Now, since cosine's on bottom, the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So that's why it's got a negative 5 in there. So that negative 5 sine is the derivative of cosine. So that would be ln of cosine of 5x. Negative 1/5 on the outside to balance the negative 5 inside. Number 5, since we have 2 things on top and 1 thing on bottom, division will make this easier. X cubed divided by x squared is x. 5x over x squared is 5 over x. Okay, now that is still in the integral symbol because we've just done algebra. Okay, now I took the 5 outside, so it would be 1 over x inside. The integral of x is x squared over 2 plus 5. The integral of 1 over x is ln of x. Okay, we need our plus c. Okay, did I do plus c on everything for number 3? Okay. Okay, number 6, taking a derivative of e, there's 2 steps. You rewrite the problem and take the derivative of the exponent. The derivative of 5x is 5. 5 times 4 gives you the 20, e to the 5x. Okay, number 7 is a product rule though, because 3x has x, it's not just a number. Okay, so we've got 2 things, 3x, e to the 2x. So we take the derivative of 3x was 3. We rewrite e to the 2x plus, now we rewrite 3x, and we take the derivative of the second. The derivative of e to the 2x is 2e to the 2x. You multiply by that derivative of 2x out front. Okay, so then just multiply that second piece. 3x times 2 gives us the 6x. Number 8, integrate 12e to the 4x, a definite integral from 0 to 2. Okay, now 12 is the unwanted number, so it gets moved out front. Okay, when you have e, u should be your exponent, So u is 4x, du is 4 dx. Okay, so my 12 is out front. I multiply a 4 inside, multiply 1/4 on the outside. Okay, the 4 and 1/4 is to have the derivative and balance. The 12 moved outside from the original. Okay, now remember those limits are x equals 0 to 2. Okay, now on the outside, 12 times 1/4 is 3. Okay, what's underlined here, the 4 dx is du, and so that's e to the u. The integral of 3e to the u, the integral of e to the u is e to the u. Okay, and times that 3 that's out front. Replace u with 4x and evaluate with our limits. Okay, I like to have the number on the outside and then just plug in. Okay, so I've got my 3 on the outside. Replace x with 2, subtract, replace x with 0. So I've got 3 times e to the 8th minus e to the 0. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So you can have the 3 outside or you can distribute the 3. That's the end of our review.